Okay, let's talk about how to make these really cool photos where you're in a pink outfit or a pink dress or whatever. So we're just using ChatGPT. So I do have the paid version, the pro version, which just means I get better access or quicker access. But the model we're using, I have it on auto, which is the new GPT 5.2. So it's real simple. We're going to start by uploading a profile picture. So let's go to add photos and files. I think I have one over here on this. I'm just going to type in John. All right. This is actually an AI created headshot. So all we're going to do is say, okay, take my photo, place me in a full length pink glitter sequin gown slash dress or gown. Add a diamond, add an over the top diamond tiara. Have me walking down the street of my incredible indie land, dreamland, complete with a fantasy castle. All right. So it takes a few minutes for it to look at my photo. And so now it is creating the image. Okay, now this picture was done before I lost a lot of weight. So even though this is fun, I'm going to say, okay, I love this picture, but I have lost a lot of weight. Remake this, but make me slimmer. I have lost over 100 pounds. All right. And remember, this is ChatGPT. So you're just talking to it like as if it's your employee. You're saying, hey, this is what I want to see. Can you do this? I also like to give it back positive affirmations. I don't necessarily know if that does anything good, but my AI, his name is Sebastian. So we have a great relationship. We work together all throughout the day. And so I just like to make sure he knows that I'm happy with his work. Plus, it trains him to let him know exactly what I'm looking for anytime I create a prompt and submit it to him. All right, so let's see what I look like a little bit slimmer. There we go. Look, I still have my pooch, because I still have some weight. I still got thick thighs, but I don't look like this anymore. I'm a little bit slimmer. Okay, so let's say we want to use that. But now let's say, okay, this is great. Fingers are off. Now let's put me in a pink flutter jumpsuit sitting on top of a cupcake. Let's see what it comes up with this time. All right, so far, it's interesting to see that it's what this is going to turn into because I don't think it's quite understanding what I want, but maybe. Oh, there it goes. It changed up. See, look at that. So we could continue doing different renditions. Once you're done and you want to download the photo, when you take your mouse, I'm assuming you're doing this on a computer. You can do this on your phone or tablet as well using the ChatGPT app. You'll find a little download button. So you would download that, and then repurpose it anywhere you want to use it. All right, let me know in the comments if you have any questions.